guys, welcome back to my weekend vlog. This weekend we will be checking out some of my favorite spots in the city, including the cutest clothing boutique on the north side. Then hubby and I will take you to one of our favorites for Italian food. Also, we will check out a farmer's market. It's opening weekend, so I'm really excited to see some of the new vendors. And then we will head out to the suburbs and meet up with Chicago content creator favorite Caleb Snell. I'll be sure to reveal any products I pick up toward the end of the video. Okay guys, let's get started. Hey guys, I thought I'd take you to one of my favorite Chicago boutiques, and it's called Love Charlie, so let's check it out. So hubby and I are about to head out to dinner. We'll take you to this cozy Italian spot. They have the best handmade pasta. It's really good. Okay, let's go. Today, Prince and I are headed to the farmer's market. It's opening day, and I am so excited. If you recall, last summer, Prince and I would always do the farmer's market every weekend. So I'm excited to see what they have. So let's go. That was a success. Prince and I, we got some croissants, and I picked up 2 dog bones for the boys. So that was a really good turnout. They had some new vendors this year. So I am here with Kayla.
Hey guys, here I am. I wore my platforms today, big mistake.
We're just spending time at the Oakbrook and doing some shopping,
Yes.
getting some foods.
Oh, such good food.
Yes. Tall. We like the tall. The Celine was $1,600,
Oh, okay.
but it's like a wallet. It's a wallet and chain or whatever, wallet style. So you get a lot more bag with this. Like this is a proper bag.
How's it feel?
be the suede lavender.
I just like this style, and if it came in like this ice cream yellow, not pen, but in this style, that's good. What color do you like?
I like the top one.
The travertine?
Yeah.
It's like a green. I like the green too. The fondant in this brown is so pretty.
Which one's that?
This.
That?
Yeah.
Touch the sardine. Touch the sardine.
Touch
Oh
the
my
sardine,
gosh.
Caleb.
Yeah. Well, that's why I was shocked by Jack Moose's heart.
Ooh, it's like cute yellow. It's not my kind of yellow, but that's too
a
bright.
different yellow, though.
It's too bright of a yellow.
I'm telling you, guys, check this thing out. I thought this made in my phone, but I think he's gonna get bigger.
Caleb. I thought we could wrap up with a few of the items that I picked up. So the first item is this button-up blouse. And if you recall, I did try this on. And this is from the brand Citizens of Humanity. I just love a good button-up blouse. Another item is from Chanel Beauty. This I picked up with Caleb and Zane. And here we go. It's a little item, and this color is something that I was looking to add. It's more of a natural color, and this one, it's the balm in the white case. It's so pretty. It's very hydrating, and this color, it's called Natural Charm. I thought this looked really good on my complexion. I do have this in the color Rose, and I really like the formula. It's more hydrating. Okay guys, well that is it for this vlog. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.